5 portable air condition you can get from Amazon. Number 1. Portable air conditioner fan. Maxrock Portable AC Personal Mini Air Cooler 3-speed Super Quiet Desk Air Cooling Fan 7 colors LED light for personal use small room. Number 2. Yescom 65W 3-in-1 Portable Evaporative Air Cooler, 29-inch cooling fan humidifier with 7 liters water tank remote control for ice packs. Number 3. Ontel Arctic Air Pure Chill Pure Chill. Number 4. 5,000 mAh battery-operated evaporative air cooler portable air conditioner 700 ml water tank, with 3 wind speeds, 3 cooling levels for bedroom, office, desk, car, camping tent. Number 5. Scoipsra Portable Air Conditioners, Mini Desktop Humidifier Cooler with adjustable modes, small personal air conditioner for car, office, bedroom, camping to water tanks.